You can make this fluffy little cat in just one evening, even if you've never crocheted before. In this video, I'll quickly walk you through the main steps. You can find the full tutorial on my channel. The link pops up in the upper right corner of the screen. And if you want the printable PDF with step-by-step photos, check the link below. For this project, you'll need soft plush yarn. I'm using number 6 weight yarn, about 20 yards in total, a bit of stuffing, a 3.5 millimeter hook, scissors, and a pair of safety eyes. Also, you need a little bit of the black yarn for embroidery face. You'll find all the material links down below this video. We'll start with a chain of 4 and single crochets. Super easy, don't worry. Here's how the head starts to take shape. A few increasing rounds, then just keep it steady for a bit. In round 8, we make the front paws with puff stitches. I usually place the eyes between round 6 and 7. That's what gives the cutest look. Now let's move on to the body. Around round 12, we'll make the back paws. I show every stitch in the row step by step and slow down on the tricky parts so you can easily follow along and repeat every move. Add some stuffing, just enough to keep it soft and squishy. Then finish round 14 and close up the opening neatly. Next, I'll show you in detail how to crochet the tail, and then a simple and quick way to make the cute little ears. And here's our cute little fluffy friend. If you like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. If you enjoy having a printed version beside you, you can grab the PDF pattern. The link is right below this video. I know many crocheters like to have something they can hold, mark the finished rounds, or write little notes while they work. It just makes the process calmer and more enjoyable. In the PDF, you'll find the full list of materials, exact stitch counts, and step-by-step photos, plus a few of my personal tips that I didn't include in the video. You can print it or keep it on your tablet like this one, so everything you need is right at your fingertips, and you can crochet at your own pace, without rushing. Using black yarn and a tapestry needle, We embroider the nose and whiskers. That's what gives each cat its own character. And here's our finished kitty, soft, cozy, and completely handmade. Come join our cozy crochet community at Crochetclubstore Facebook group. We share ideas and support each other. The link's down below. Here I'm adding a tiny stitched cross. Just a sweet little detail to finish our cat. And now our little cat is truly complete. Thanks for crocheting with me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and show me your fluffy cat.